Let's see how AI can help make decisions in uncertainty. What you can see on the screen is a Bayesian network that models heating and cooling of buildings following some mathematical equations. To understand how this network is created, let's see first how the cold water outlet temperature is computed. Clearly, this module is dependent on all the other modules directly or indirectly. The connections are drawn via arrows with direction pointing towards where the dependency is. This kind of a flowchart or a process flowchart is usually created by the help of domains expert or a technical manual that explains how all the modules interact. Next, we see some constant values and we see some probabilistic values. These constant and probabilistic values are usually obtained by data sets or by domains expert. This is a by default chart, by default module where we don't know any values of cold water outlet temperature because we haven't observed anything. Now, two observed things over here are what is the season and what is the perceived temperature. If you know the season and if you can feed in the perceived temperature, both these evidences will take their effect all the way down to cold water outlet temperature and show probabilistic uh, possibility of what the temperature can be. So we put in evidence that it's summer and we also put in evidence that it's cold. What we see is a numerical interval chart, and in this chart, the highest probability is the temperature to be between 8 and 9 degrees. Now, if I change the perceived temperature to be hot, you'll automatically see a change over here. Now, the highest probability is for the cold water outlet temperature to be between 10 and 11. Likewise, we can model all these charts and we can see how to use these for decision making.